In this video, I am sharing the download link for the Shizuku application. For Android 13, Android 14, Android 15, and even Android 16, you can download the application. Through the Mediafire link that we have provided, this Shizuku app is the latest version 13.6.0. This app was officially released on May 25, 2025. This application is one of the most searched APKs because of its powerful features, especially its ability to access and manage Android system settings. You can find the download link directly in the description of this video. Before continuing, if you have just found this channel, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel.